Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Microsoft Store queued option. When apps or updates get permanently stuck on queued or downloading 0% in the Microsoft Store, it usually means the background download agent is bottlenecked. So let's see how to fix that one. So first you need to clear the Microsoft Store cache. This is the quick reset. To do that, you need to press Windows and R on your keyboard. Type wsreset like this .exe and you need to press enter. This kind of blank screen appear, and then after it will open the Microsoft Store. So once the blank screen is appeared, do not close that one. It will take a few seconds and it will be automatically closed, and it will open the Microsoft Store when it is reset. So then after you can check if that issue is gone. The next method is you need to force restart Windows Update Services. To do that, you need to go to search bar, type cmd, make run as administrator. You need to type net stop wsreset, hit enter. Once it is done, again you need to type net stop bits and hit enter. Wait for the few seconds and then you need to type these commands again: net start wsreset and hit enter, and again you need to type net start bits. Those are the stopped one previously. Then after you need to reopen the Microsoft Store and look at your queue. It will be fixed. And the next method is you need to cancel all and restart the queue. So you need to open Microsoft Store and you need to click on the library icon. Go to my library. In my case it is not updated, that's fine. And when you go to the library icon, you will see massive list of app waiting to download. You need to click on cancel all button, or you need to delete all the currently downloading ones. Once the queue is completely empty, search for the one you need to download and click on download option, then it will be downloading. And the next method is you need to re-register the Microsoft Store app via the PowerShell. So there is a small command you need to type for that one. So first you need to go to search bar and type PowerShell and make run as administrator, and you need to copy this command. So you will see the command. Let me give seconds. It is Get-AppXPackage AllUsers --name Microsoft.WindowsStore. Make sure use the capital and simple accordingly. Foreach Add-AppXPackage DisableDevelopmentMode register and $.InstallLocation /AppXManifest.xml --Verbose and bracket. Hit enter. Once the process is complete, restart your computer and log back into the store, and this method will be fix your issue. Please subscribe my channel.